Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, June 30th, 2020. It's the last day of June. We're getting ready to move into July and get ready for our 4th of July weekend, which looks a little unsettled, but not a washout. Don't worry. You'll be able to get your barbecue in and enjoy some fireworks, but you might also have to dodge a couple of nature's fireworks as well. Definitely what we saw yesterday, well, you can expect the same thing the next 2 days as well. This morning we have temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s over the northern interior, mid 60s to lower 70s everywhere else, especially along the coast. Winds are pretty much light and variable, and we are already seeing some pesky showers showing up here around the Poconos, the Catskills, over Connecticut, heading towards Long Island. It's going to be another one of those days where it's going to be rather unsettled. Now, when we take a look at our surface map, here's our low pressure system. We have what's called an upper level low that is just kind of hanging around New England, creating all sorts of havoc. Yesterday, the primary focus was around the Hudson River Valley, parts of the Poconos, northwestern New Jersey, but a lot of activity in Connecticut and Long Island. Today, that's going to be shifted a little bit further south and west, and the Philadelphia metro will start to get into some of this action as well. We're going to take a look at our satellite picture. Well, there's our upper level low, nice little vigorous shortwave right here. And you can see the moisture being drawn in from the Atlantic Ocean, wrapping around the upper level low through New England, through parts of central New York, and right into our neck of the woods. And so that's going to lead to more cloud cover, and it's also going to support that potential for more showers and thunderstorms, because the atmosphere is becoming unstable, and now you have more moisture to work with and more lifting. And when we zoom in, you can really see one of these short waves here. Take a look at that. Now that is some cyclonic curvature of the cloud cover there. Very impressive. So as these vorticities rotate around the region, they're going to create lifting, and some of that lifting is going to produce thunderstorms. And some of those thunderstorms are going to be strong enough to support very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, small hail, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. In some rare cases, you may exceed 60 miles per hour, and that's where you could get an isolated severe thunderstorm. Where that happens, well, pretty much everyone's at threat, so we'll continue to see how all that evolves. But it's going to be a very interesting day with a lot of activity, and pretty much rinse and repeat for tomorrow as well. Also, we have a backdoor cold front to talk about, and also a flash of heat. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Threat for an isolated to widely scattered shower or thunderstorm, becoming more scattered, greater coverage as you move through the afternoon hours. Look for temperatures to rise into the mid 70s to lower 80s, a few mid 80s as you head towards the Delaware River Valley. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, watch out for some fog, some isolated showers, temperatures falling off into the mid to upper 60s. For tomorrow afternoon, same scenario, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some are going to be capable of some very heavy downpours. Watch out for some localized flash flooding, poor visibility, and not exactly the best afternoon for outdoor activities. Temperatures are going to rise into the upper 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast, mid 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. Your best potential for 90s will be in the Delaware River Valley. And on Thursday, the upper level trough starts to exit, so still a threat for isolated showers and thunderstorms, but more sunshine on Thursday. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s for lows and lower to mid 80s along the coast, mid 80s to lower 90s further inland, basically in the Delaware River Valley. Now, Friday is going to be a very interesting day. We have this backdoor cold front that's approaching, and ahead of it, a very hot air mass is going to be invading from the Great Lakes. Actually, really, Ontario, Canada. Normally, you would expect it coming from the Gulf Coast, but, well, this isn't a normal year. So it's going to be coming in from the Great Lakes, and this hot and humid air mass is going to create one heck of a burst of heat on Friday. We're going to see temperatures range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows, mid 80s to lower 90s along the immediate coast, mid 90s everywhere else. There is potential in the Delaware River Valley where we might break above 95 degrees. There's some guidance going as high as 100 degrees. Tempering that a little bit because this backdoor cold front is going to be introducing showers, thunderstorms, and increasing cloud cover. So that might limit your high temperature potential. But if you get plenty of sun on Friday, you are going to be pushing very close to 100 degrees in locations like Reading, Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, parts of New Jersey like Trenton, southwestern New Jersey. So it's going to be a very hot day. It just depends how much sunshine we end up with. Then Friday night into Saturday morning, this cold front drops south with showers and thunderstorms. It clears out by Saturday afternoon, which of course is 4th of July, with scattered cloud cover expected. Low temperatures on Saturday range from the mid-60s to lower 70s. High temperatures will range from the mid-70s to lower 80s on the immediate coast and mid-80s to lower 90s towards the Delaware River Valley. Again, everything kind of depends on where this cold front starts to stall out. And on Sunday, it just kind of lingers around with isolated shower or two, scattered cloud cover. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows, and high temperatures will once again range quite a bit from the mid 70s to lower 80s on the immediate coast and mid 80s to lower 90s away from the coast, all depending on where that boundary sets up. So quite a range of temperatures for the 4th of July weekend. On Monday, same scenario. Backdoor cold front really doesn't move all that much. Isolated showers and thunderstorms hanging around. Temperatures will range from the mid 60s to lower 70s for lows. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to mid 80s along the coast, upper 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. And on Tuesday, same thing. Backdoor cold front doesn't move all that much. To the north and to the east of the backdoor cold front, look for scattered broken cloud cover, temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows, and upper 70s to mid 80s for highs. To the south and west of the backdoor cold front, same type of weather impacts, maybe more thunderstorms possible. Look for lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s. High temperatures, though, in the upper 80s to lower 90s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. If you enjoyed this forecast, please like, share, and subscribe. Let your friends and family know. And as always, stay safe out there.